In this video, I'm going to show you how does Afterpay work on Amazon and how to actually use Afterpay on Amazon. Now, the first thing I have to tell you is that Afterpay is currently only available on the Australian version of Amazon, so amazon.com.au, and you can't actually use it or connect it on amazon.com or any other countries where Amazon is available, okay? So the first thing you want to do, of course, you want to go to the Australian Amazon, and then after you've done that, you can go ahead and click on your account after you're signed in over here. So click on this hello and then account and lists, and you want to click on your payments over here. After you do that, you want to click on add a payment method, and then at the very bottom over here it says buy now, pay later. You can add your Afterpay account. So to do this, click on add your Afterpay account, and then the window is going to pop up. What you're going to want to do is, as you can see, you want to put in your email or mobile number, which has to be associated with your Afterpay account. After that, you will get your verification code, and you'll be able to easily connect your Afterpay to your Amazon account over here. Now, in case you've been wondering how this actually works with Afterpay, you can link your account as a payment method, as I just showed you, by using the phone or email, and then when you place an order with Afterpay on amazon.com.au, your order may not show in the Afterpay app until the item is ready for shipment. Okay, so that's basically what you have to do, and it's pretty simple to use. So yeah, that's how we actually connect it. That's how we get it to work. Now, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.